Okay. Show me.
Hi there, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the HGLRC channel. And it's giveaway time. Yay, cool stuff. Always nice to be eligible for something nice. And something nice this definitely is. Yeah, I've flown this quadcopter. It's the HGLRC XJB-145. Quite a mouthful. It is an FPV racer. And it's, yeah, I've flown it once. At the time I'm recording this video, I've flown it once. And it's an absolute beast. Yeah, it's a very fast quadcopter. It looks nice as well, and yeah, it does have an HD camera mount. I have only flown it without an HD camera. But again, it's a very nice quadcopter. So, yeah, oh, by the way, at the end of this video I'll include some flight footage with this quadcopter. Okay, so I'm going to be giving this quadcopter away. It has been flown once, and stock. It doesn't come with a receiver. You will receive it with an FrSky XM Plus receiver. Obviously, if you fly another system, FlySky, Futaba, whatever, maybe you can make a friend happy with that receiver, right? So, to be eligible to win this here quadcopter, it is an international giveaway, so it doesn't matter where you live. If you live on Mars, even, I'll have it shipped out to you. Yeah, I'll make sure that you receive it. And you have to do 3 things. You have to be subscribed to this channel, HGLRC Adventures. You have to like this here video. And you'll also have to subscribe to my DRC Raw channel. And that's a smaller channel on which I post all my raw footage. And it might actually be a nice channel because first of all you'll see on forehand what I'm testing. You'll have the inside scoop on what I am reviewing. And maybe you prefer videos with just flying stuff without all the blah-de-blah about specifications and stuff. So I'll have a link to that channel up here, and there is always also a link to it in the description of this video. So those 3 things: subscribe to this channel, to the DRC Raw channel, and like this video. And I'll give you 10 days to do those 3 things. Oh, by the way, you'll also have to, comment on this video. I'll draw from the comments of this here video. You can only comment once, just to make sure. And 10 days, I'll put the date range on screen over here. This video should be live on Monday. Well, again, I'll have the date range on screen in which you can enter. And in 10 days, I'll have the draw of this giveaway live on this here channel. Obviously, I wish everyone the very best of luck. And if you don't win, well, I think it's still a very nice quadcopter. But, and actually, I will be ordering one myself again as well to do a review on. So, yeah, that's it. Again, good luck and see you in 10 days. Bye bye. Let's get cracking. Engines armed. Let's see if it flies. Yeah, it does fly, yay! Oh, it's very touchy-like. It's nice and stable. Oh, that was a 50% punch. Okay, let's try 100% punch. Okay. Yeah. So Mr. Elon Musk launches a Tesla into space. HGLRC launches a quadcopter into outer space. It sounds very smooth, like cool. So well, obviously, as you can tell, it flies. Oh, I have to get used to the throttle feel a little of the radio and the quadcopter. Okay, and obviously if this is your first quadcopter or brushless quadcopter, you shouldn't be doing flips right away. You just want to take it easy and see if the quadcopter responds to your inputs according to your expectations. But yeah, cool stuff, man. So we have successfully gotten our quadcopter into the air. Great. That's obviously nice. Now, after this, obviously you will have to get to know Betaflight more, all the ins and outs, and there are tons of videos about Betaflight. Joshua Barkwell has a lot of insight videos on that. As you might know, well, maybe if you are a beginner, you don't know, so look up Joshua Barkwell's channel on that, on all the ins and outs of Betaflight. Okay, apart from that, I'm obviously happy my quadcopter flies, and as I'm giving this away, I'm extra happy that it performs well. I'm not sure if you'll be able to pick that up, but it sounds super duper smooth.